Um, are you in a happy place in your business? Because that can lead to complacency, right? So we're happy and everything's going smoothly, so you kind of just get stagnant. And you need to help others succeed for you to succeed, right? So, hey, Shauna. So, if you're complacent and you're in this, happy place or management mode or whatever, you are doing everyone a disservice, right? So, you need to change that mindset, because the more people you help, the better off you are, the more exciting everything in your business becomes. So people say management mode, but I was thinking about this morning, I'm like, it's when you're in a happy place, in a comfortable, little place, everything's going smoothly, you get complacent. So some of the things that come with being stagnant are like you're happy with, yes, yep, got to get your mindset straight, right? So you're in your happy place with how much money's coming in, or how many people are on your team, or how many customers you have. You're like, wow, this is tough. I got to handle all this stuff, right? Here's the thing. You're being selfish. I'm sorry, I'm calling you out on it. You're being selfish. Good morning, Tina. You know how much you can help people with your product or your business or your service or whatever, right? You know you can, so don't be selfish. It started out phenomenal and you wanted to share. So keep going. Don't become complacent. You have awesomeness to share with someone. You have something that is life-changing to share with someone. And you're being selfish if you're holding back. Things will work out. Things will take care of themselves there's always issues with your team or your customers, or, a new product launch or a product that's on back order, whatever. You're always going to have issues. But try not to move your business forward every day. Listen, I am no guru. I am not anything special. I am a mom that wants to help other moms in this crazy business that we get ourselves into, because we know we can help people. We know we can help our families, and we're all in this together, right? So I'm just trying to build people up, because this business, hey, Christy, this business is hard. It's not easy, and yes, they'll say, they have simple systems ready for us, yes, simple, repetitive, it's fine, but it's hard. You got to stay at it. So if you're not offering your product, service, business, whatever, you get inconsistent in that, you are doing everyone a disservice. So